Good morning, Cajon Pass Railroad fans. Happy Easter. Buddy and I are out here at Cajon Summit, Railroad Summit. This is a Union Pacific southbound on the Palmdale Cutoff. Looks like it's all hub group, and maybe you're starting to get a few Snyders here. Looks like a domestic train so far. Not the best view here, but we'll take it. We're actually hawking these tracks down here, the BNSF tracks. We just got the Amtrak with a 50-year anniversary locomotive up top, so make sure you look for that. Let's get a quick view at the mountains over here real quick. There we go. Yeah, we're kind of hawking these tracks down here. You got a beautiful mountain backdrop, but hey, we'll take any train. We'll take this one up here. Beggars can't be choosers. Since Snyder went to Union Pacific, it seems like the trains aren't as mixed up anymore. Like, this is all hub group and Snyder, and a lot of BNSFs I'm seeing now are just dominated by Amazon and Walmart and JB Hunt. We got a rear helper there. They can help push up hills and do some dynamic braking down hills. Stop. C tracks, think train. Yeah, it's at the summit, so it's pushing right there. Keeping that train loose. Keeping the pressure off all those couplers. And downhill, it'll probably do a little dynamic braking and pretty much do the reverse. All right, not bad. I'm trying to think of the milepost there. It's probably 464 on the Mojave subdivision. All right, there we go. Buddy's enjoying a dog biscuit down here. I hope that's what he's eating. That's what I gave him when the train started. He probably should have finished that by now. He's probably chewing on something else. Or maybe he's just getting crumbs out of the gravel. Hey, buddy. What do we got going next? Okay. Here we go. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Help us out on Patreon if you can. We have channel memberships, and super thanks. Really appreciate the contributions. Help keeping us going strong. All right, we love you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully that'll be any time now. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. We'll watch a couple more.